Yay! Picture, picture. Caleb, closer to them. Caleb. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's nice. Okay, okay. Just finish your cake, then we're going outside. Come on, come on.
You can go. You can have the window say open.
You okay there?
Running, look through that.
Ben! Ano yung tsura ni Ben? No, you should wear your seatbelt for safety. Yeah. What's that? Okay. Ben, don't force the rabbit. Ben tries to hold this one. Come on. He don't want to be touched. Si Bunny pa siya. It's okay. Is there any water there, Caleb? Try. There's no water. There's no more milk, Caleb. No. Oh, there is. You're very good, Caleb. Huh? Is it working? Maulan, maulan, maulan. Oh, it's fish. Oh, come on, Caleb. Let's check some animals here. here, Elora. Elora. Which llamas? Llamas are there. Elora, do you want to see the llamas? Come on, Caleb. What happened? What? Oh, it's alright. Do you want to check something else? Oh, you go closer there. We'll take picture of you. Come on. Oh, it will spit on you.
Marisa like knows your coloring.
Wow, show it here. You say thank you, Marisa.
Thank you, Marissa. There's a lot.
What's that?
Barbie. Oh, can I even get it out?
Thank you. Okay.
Candy.
Candy.
She didn't even care.
Candy.
Yay!
Candy.
This is mine. Go, yeah.
Wow.
Okay, next one.
Wow.
Yeah.
Who's next is
What's that? That's from Chloe H? Wow.
Doogie.
She know. Then you have a... Oh, you get chocolate again? Wow, happy birthday!
What?
That's mine.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Candy. Oh,
That's a card.
Yay! Thank you, Chloe H. Really with Chloe H.
Thank you,
happy
Chloe.
birthday, Chloe.
Can you help me open this card?
No, later na the card.
Sticker. See, you got another sticker, no?
That's from...
Yes, only a book. I need
Why you buy already?
Sorry. I didn't know.
Oh,
I didn't know.
that's from
Elora, I think.
Elora.
Who's next?
Hey,
Shania?
that's mine.
Shania.
Shania's.
Well,
Read
this
it.
card.
Wow.
Wow.
8.
Hey, today. Ruby.
Yeah, from Shania. Okay, what's the gift? What's that? Nails.
Paki-ready yung damit ni Ben, ha?
Yeah. Wow. Come on.
Riley, you're next, okay?
Ah,
Okay.
Riley, show it.
Thank you, Shania.
Thank you.
Now, Caleb's the last one.
Yeah. Because Caleb is the
Only boy.
only boy.
No, he's not. Ben is also. There's only 2 boys.
Okay. Who attended your party?
Yeah.
What's your birthday wish, Riley?
I don't know.
Oh, then yesterday you got a gift from Tita Lola too. You say thank you to Tita Lola.
Thank you, Lola. I think this is a big one.
I think it's a stuffed toy also. That's from Caleb. Oh!
It's hard! Wait, the first to close.
Wow! You say thank you, Caleb.
Thank you, Caleb. There's more. Another one. Oh, she got it.
Wow! Wow!
Thank you.
Thank you for everyone who remembers you on your birthday.
We're so happy to say we're so happy.
Okay, that's enough. Come on.
Hooray,
Say bye.
hooray.